Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to part 4. And I'm sorry, but part 3 didn't get as many views as the previous parts. But so yeah, I'm thinking that's because it's kind of the same thing. So okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So for the next videos, actually in the comment below, I want you to type what you want my next videos to be, like what you would like to see from me. So yeah, I hope you like it, and oh yeah, I hope this one goes better than the previous one. So yeah, well, let's go. See you soon. make it into the end of the video. So if you're actually listening to me right now speak to you guys, then I want you to write in the comments that I made it. Just write in the comments, made it. Yay. I made it through 4 episodes of this series. Actually, no. Speaking of 4 episodes, this is actually the last episode. I said it's part 4, but it's actually the last episode or part to the series. So I hope you guys liked the episode or part. I hope you guys liked the series as well. If you did, watch more of my videos, and don't forget to, if you like my channel, don't forget to tell your family and friends. And well, yeah, catch you later. Dum 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 dum